Right, okay, so next we have in with us this lovely Jaguar F Pace. On this one, it's had a little bit of a nasty knock to the front wing, the wheel and the bumper corner. I don't know if you can just about make it out. So a bit nasty on the top of the wing. We've got a new wing to go on it. The damage also comes down lower part of the wing and then on the wheel as well. So we've got some damage top of the wheel up here and then across the wheel, lower part of the wheel as well. So on this one we'll be prepping the door, blending into the door, brand new wing, repaired and prepped and painted and blended into the bumper corner. There we go. Okay then, back over to the Jaguar F Pace. Mark's now stripped the wing, which was all damaged, and also removed the headlight and loosened all the bumper corner so we can start to do the repairs on the bumper corner. New wing to be prepped and painted, and we'll also have to prep the door, repair a small mark I think on the door, possibly. Small mark, little mark, and then paint and blend the door as well. Right, we're back we're now in the spray booth with James with the wing for the Jaguar F Pace. What can you tell me, James?
Right, so we are about to wet the wing for the Jaguar F Pace and then get it all painted. The wing has been fitted onto the car to make sure all the gaps line up properly. Wing's then been rubbed down. Any breakthroughs, I've applied some etch primer just to cover the bare metal, and then I'm going to hit it with some wet on wet.
Lovely, okay mate. Primer's all done now, isn't it? So, yeah, where are we?
Wet on wet is all on the wing and that's all dry, ready for base coat. We've got the bumper corner, a small bit of damage on the plastic that's just had some rub through primer on, and then we're blending through into the door. So I'm now ready to apply some base coat. I've got my spray out card ready to check the colour. Yeah, let's get going.
Superb. Okay, so the base coat's all on, James. What are you now about to do with that?
Base coat on, look lovely. I'm now about to lacquer it all. I've checked my colour and it matches spot on. So yeah, now about to clear the wing, blow into the bumper corner, and then clear the door.
Fantastic. Okay, mate. Superbulous. The Jaguar wing is now all lacquered, so that's just got to be fitted back on the car now, and then all machine polished, flattened and polished. Now panning down the vehicle, we've also got the bumper corner is all repaired, painted, lacquered. Moving along down the car, we've then got the door that has all been lacquered. So now we'll be looking at now getting this out of the spray booth in the morning, everything fitted back up, machine polished. Wheels still got to be refurbished on this side, and then ready and back to the customer. Lovely jubbly. Maybe a bit of cake as well.
this for you if you like. Hey!
Rubber? Have you just kicked my blooming screws again?
No, mate, no!
Look!
No! That's slanderous, that is, mate. Where's your proof?
Where's the roof?
I need to come my way on the bottom mark.
Okay, so we're back with the Jaguar F Pace, which is now finished. Bumper corner, wing, a brand new wing, bumper corner repaired, door, minor repair, and then prepped and blended. And also the alloy wheel all refurbished as well, which was in a satin grey with darker grey inserts. So we'll have a quick look round it, just to show you it's all done. She's a beauty, a lovely car this. Really lovely car, really nice. So that's the Sport R line as well. And then across to the alloy wheel. Quite smart alloy wheels on this as well. There we go, so that's now all done, ready to go back to the customer.